आज के मॉडर्न सोसाइटी की एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है एडिक्शन, यू नो। ये जो एडिक्शन का जो सिलसिला है, मैंने ये सुना था कि इसका लिंक ट्रॉमा से होता है, चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा या फिर किसी भी प्रकार का ट्रॉमा। तो ट्रॉमा का और एडिक्शन का क्या लिंक है, और एडिक्शन को ओवरकम कैसे किया जा सकता है सही समय पे एक इन्वॉल्वमेंट लाकर या एक स्टॉप लगाकर।
तो we have the work of Gabor Mate, who's done a lot of work in trauma, and the explanation जो उन्होंने दी है is that trauma से addiction नहीं आता है, addiction is there to soothe the trauma.
Okay.
Like in a time where you are responding or you're completely disintegrated and dissociated,
right, and you're in state of pain,
you need something to relieve that pain. और हमें पता है कि ये गलत हो सकता है, पर पेन इतना होता है, unbearable होता है,
right,
and what happens is then you have a crutch, and then that crutch becomes a part of you. You get, it's like a hug.
So it's a temporary fix.
It's a temporary negative fix.
Momentarily relief.
Yeah, for a momentary relief, but unfortunately has a very detrimental, long-term, permanent damage हो सकती है. Depends on your choice of addiction. Food हो सकता है, sex हो सकता है, drugs हो सकती है, alcohol हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Anything that makes you feel momentarily better.
Yeah, and if anything is done excessively,
right,
obviously it goes against your body, it goes against your development. Like I had a client who struggled with poverty, excessive amounts of poverty, right? And that abject poverty, while it made him strong, it also pushed him down a very deep, dark black hole for life. That trauma of not having, and your parents obviously constantly saying nahi hai, nahi hai, nahi hai. Now kids, you will tell children one thing, but when they receive it, they translate it very differently. So then you have to become a different version of yourself to survive that kind of what is happening in the environment, that pressure, that pain. And that's how addiction happens, and that's how it sort of goes into life, and that's a trauma response.
Right. So addiction is basically a result of a temporary
it's a relief.
Soothing
it's a way to self-soothe. Yes.
Relief seeking mechanism that you naturally try to go for. मतलब अगर मैं बहुत इंटेंस पेन फील कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रैक्शन भी अच्छा लगता है, और फिर मैं वो डिस्ट्रैक्शन की फ्रीक्वेंसी को बढ़ाने लगता हूँ.
जैसे बिकॉज वहाँ पे बायोलॉजिकल डिपेंडेंसी हो जाती है.
Exactly.
Right.
That creates a dependency.
Yeah, that creates a dependency, unfortunately.
Right, because repetitions अगर बढ़ गए तो वो dependency create होती है. It's beautiful. Like I think this would give a very nice perspective कि like अगर आप कोई भी चीज पे डिपेंड हो रहे हो या उसको आप फ्रीक्वेंटली कर रहे हो to actually soothe your despair or soothe your stress or soothe your trauma, that might lead to an addiction. Right. So that's the difference, because बहुत से लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि अगर आपने एक बार अल्कोहल पी लिया ना तो आप गटर में पड़े मिलोगे.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता.
But if you are happy and if you are like let's say out partying और आपने कभी occasionally आपने ड्रिंक्स कर लिया,
right,
और ये जो केस है जो आपने बताया जिसमें अल्कोहलिक बन जाता है because of addiction, so these are two different cases.
It's very very different. It's a matter of choice.
Exactly.
यहाँ पे again it's a matter of choice. Yeah, there are times where you just float to it and there's no time to think and you end up choosing the first thing that comes in your way. होती है.
Right.
होता है.
Right.
Okay. But again, to choose to let's say go out, have a fun time and then come back. And it's occasional.
Right.
That's different.
So इसका fix basically ये हो सकता है, like if correct me if I'm wrong, कि जब आप एक कोई भी stage of stress में हो, I know it's very hard, but वो time पे if you can one step at a time try to opt for a better, healthy and sustainable relief over,
that's always a good option.
Yeah, over something which is about instant gratification और जो long term में destructive हो जाएगा, उससे sustainable relief जैसे कि exercise हो गया.
Yeah, you will see हमारे इतने सारे we have so many you know, Olympic champions coming out from like villages, for example. You know, they also go through abject poverty and starvation, and you know, their parents are like chai walas, and there's small time businesses, and they've put things together. They've gone into sports.
Right.
They chose sports because
As a
that
relief
relieved
mechanism.
them. Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So constructive relief over destructive relief, you know, and you have to keep a track of that. That balance should be there.
Yeah.
Otherwise, एक सिचुएशन के मतलब सिचुएशन के हवाले आपकी लाइफ बिगड़ जाएगी, बिकॉज सिचुएशन हैज द पावर टू चेंज योर लाइफ, बट यू हैव द चॉइस.
Yeah, if you are able to respond, give yourself time. You know, हमारे में क्या होता है ना, we feel like we have this need to respond quickly.
Right.
Full time.
Right.
Like it's KBC, fastest finger first.
Yes, yes.
Slow down. Take your time. Take 2 days to decide what you want to do with something. Yes, sometimes you don't have the luxury of time. But try. Try and see what you can do the best when you slow yourself down and think, what can I do next? And if you cannot make an informed decision, talk to a friend, talk to a professional, talk to somebody, say it out loud.
Right, right.
Because these are not things you want to multiply in your system.
Exactly. And these are not the decisions you want to be wrong, you know, wrong with.
And it's, see, this is the thing, right? What was missing is that you didn't have a sense of support. Okay?
Right.
And that was as a child. Somebody could not make you feel safe. Try and find a space to make you feel safe.
Right.
जो दूसरी चीज होती है, which
so
is
that
a great
you could be
learning.
safely vulnerable?
Yes.
Safely vulnerable.
Yes. That, and another way to deal with trauma, which is very, very beautiful, and people I feel should know this, that the opposite of trauma is play. What does that mean?
Yeah.
Do things that make you happy. As a child, तुम्हारी language क्या होती है? Play की होती है.
Okay.
Right? So even as an adult also has a way of playing.
Okay.
Now it can be any sort of thing. Like you can go learn a new hobby. You can learn dancing. You can learn any adult form. Or you can actually go and tumble play.
Right.
You know, you have these big play areas right now, adult play areas. Go have fun, because what you have learned is that the child in you, which is traumatized, has no positive to look forward to, no fun, no nothing. Interact with that.
Okay. So that
Do those
child
things.
is still there.
That child is still there.
You just give him a little bit space and freedom and let him enjoy and have fun and develop a new outlook towards life.
Yeah. See, if you want to develop a new narrative,
Yeah.
you have to start talking to yourself differently.
Right.
Today, we just spoke about how people are so critical and harsh to themselves.
Exactly.
And that comes very naturally, especially to, like, I feel Indian kids, unfortunately, but we are very hard on ourselves. See if, you know, you respond to some nurturance. You always feel that you can talk, right? Like if someone spoke to you nicely, you would have done things differently.
Right.
Be that adult for yourself. It's exhausting, but try it once in a while.
ये तो एक बहुत ही मजेदार पॉडकास्ट का एक छोटा सा क्लिप था. पूरी पिक्चर अगर देखनी है तो लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. डू चेक इट आउट.